Double Trading, welcome back. Another mega for you today. Let's go ahead and mark out these 4 hours. We got the face cam, by the way. What's going on? Beat this game though. We missed CPI. It was extremely bullish, but CPI is gambling, so I don't really care too much about missing it. There's no gap there. What am I doing? Also, I will be doing a new segment on these videos called Fair Value Yaps. OD name, Pete. Just comment something, talk about it. If you have questions, leave it in the comments. Enjoy the free Discord in the bio. If you want to join, it's up to you. But we get money every day, so I recommend you should join. Traders are making ridiculous money even if they just started trading. It's all free. So yeah, alright, let's see, 15 minutes. I got these highs I got swept from CPI. I got these little lag gaps. Little lag gap, inverse gap. I'll leave that one. Highs already marked out, already got swept. So I'm going to be looking for bearish liquidity today. Here's a CPI candle. Holy bro, shit's huge, but CPI candle. Let's see, I do want to see it come around this area where I'm at. Rose try to go, what is it? Alright, it's enough on the 15. Now we go down to the 1. We got 3 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's see, that candle looks small, but it's holding strong. That's why I mark those little candles out. We got these 1 minutes. This big ass 1 minute, obviously. I don't have enough down here. Alright, we got this one. And we got this one. This one. Alright, those look pretty good to me. This level is going to be interesting right here. The CPI candle, just because it's a full bullish fair value gap. I'm not too sure about it. It's just going to be a big blind spot of liquidity where people are going to be buying and selling. So I'm just going to go over here and mark out the 1 minute gaps that are in it, that have inversed. So I feel like those will give me a better, these will give me a better read on where price will go than a fat ass 1 minute candle. Alright, we got 2 more minutes. I'm gonna slide back when it's time to go. I bet. Let's lock in. I do expect it to be bearish today, just because CPI normally retraces after it resets, and CPI came out neutral. Same as last time, which is seen as positive news initially, but it doesn't last too long in my opinion. This looks like it's gonna reverse, actually. Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, so we got this reversal candle. I do want to wait till it reaches the previous area of liquidity to take these shorts. Either up here, just a little pullback. I can play ping pong with them. That'll be nice and easy to do. Looks like it's gonna fully embark this candle. Yeah, there it is. There's the pullback. Let's see what this is gonna top out at. Let's just go right there. Might have been premature. I should have played ping pong with it. This 1 minute candle. I just fucked it, so I gotta go back in. Find it again. Anyways, back in profits. I do want to see a full retracement of this candle. I'm just put it right here. So let's just see that retracement. I'll be good for the day. There's a strong sell side I was looking for. I'm gonna go ahead and move this break even, just in case there's a pullback. But yeah. Ooh, there's a pullback. All right. That's a strong sell side candle though. It might come up, tap me out. Just keep pushing down and we'll be straight. A little hezzy, little pump fake. Not falling for it. Not falling for it. There it is. It is holding up this fair value gap still. I'll go ahead and move this down just in case. I'm really like 180. I want to see a react of this one. I'm gonna just take it right there, boom, band. Alright, I'll leave that there for later. Actually, no, we don't do live trading today, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. But yeah, you see that? That's why I took it. Stop me out. You gotta take your profits. A beautiful trade right there. Execution. Let's see. I do want to get in again on sells. I'm just looking for a better level to do this at. Maybe up here in this new fair value gap. We just gotta get out of this range because right now it's just in the same fair value gaps. I want to see it either break through this one or this one because right now both of them are being respected, and I don't like when two things are true at once. It just leads to a choppy, confusing market. So that's what I'm on. That's what I'm on. Let's see. We got some buyers stepping in into this 1 minute, just previously respected. Respecting it again. Alright, I'm gonna hop out. Actually, hold on, let's see if it rips through. I'm gonna stay here. Already up a band. You get the 5 accounts back. I'm not trying to risk it too much. Let's see. We could see a sweep of these highs off of these candles. Just based off of
order filled.
This liquidity here.
Order filled.
I got another count going, sorry, but in case y'all were wondering what that was. I gotta try out different services. Whatever, we'll leave that alone for now. Top ticked this previous gap, but it did rip through this one, so I do want to take some longs off this. It might pull back just to up here, just a little pullback, not too ridiculous, not too wild. Alright, if it rips through this 1 minute that was previously respected at market open, this should be money, cash, money. Let's see. Alright, I'm going to move break even. I gotta get enough points away from it. $10 break even. Tapped into that fair value gap I was talking about, and it looks like it's going to pretty choppy markets today as well. It hasn't been great all week. Alright, stops me out. That's why we put it at break even. I'm not mad at it. Now it's bouncing between these two right here. I do expect it to rip through this one though, just at the start. Just go get some more bread. There's the sell-off. See, the smarter play would have been using this fair value gap that's previously been respected, but I was a little blindsided about my bias again, which is the reason I lost yesterday. So that's a big thing to learn from me these past few days. Don't marry your bias. It just won't end well for you or anybody. Alright. I'm gonna go ahead and hop out. Come back when I say good trade. There's the rip we were talking about. Rip through this gap, which is previously respected. Looking for these highs. I do want to get in short now. After maybe a sweep of the previous highs, maybe a sweep of a fair value gap, maybe a full engulfment. Just looking to see which one comes first, realistically. Looks like it's gonna, I like this, the way this candle's moving. Ooh, fake me out. So I'm red though. Premature entry happens. Still up 600. I want to take a sell right here to sweep of these lows. So 810, so we just get 1500 even. Because I am on a combine, but I do like that entry. Just right back to this candle right here. It's respecting this for value pretty well. I just want to see it slide back down to that area. Liquidity, that's a beautiful, looks like it'll be a beautiful trade. Once it just touches this area, it'll bounce back up. Don't want to break even. I'll put a break even just in case. Safeguard it. No reason to take the risk anymore. It's my profits. Rolls Royce truck color. It's edging the top of this for value right now. Beautiful holding my shoe bag. Alright, see, that's why we moved to break even, baby. We lose no bread. Gives us a chance at a better entry right here. Just right to this. I want to see this engulf this full for value gap before it moves back up. Just right here. Let's just go tap me out. We'll be good for the day. Already break even. Oh, let's go ahead and put a honey ball in there just because of how far it went. I'm gonna do 50. Given this was a winning trade, this was my last trade of the day. Just using these gaps, using these highs, using these lows. There's no more liquidity that I could see at the top that it would be reaching for, considering CPI already took out most of the levels, such as previous highs. There we go. 1492. We're all good. Yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Easy bread, easy back and forth, bouncing back from yesterday's losses. Couldn't really ask for too much more, to be real with you. Take your bread when it's there. I might scalp another one, might a little bit off camera, but besides the point. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment. I'm trying to do this fair value gaps thing as well. I came up with a name, don't steal that shit, I'll kill you. Just comment some shit you want me to talk about. If you need help on what you're struggling with, I've tried every strategy, so I can tell you a little bit about everything. There's a dump from the highs. Beautiful work. I just moved on TP. Somebody, but no money. Peace and love to everybody.